Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and right now I will show you how you can make a racing bar graph as we see on YouTube, or even as data is beautiful as Wow Mustas and other channels they make. It's kind of easy, but also it's kind of hard. I will explain you everything because I like data and I like to work with data, so that's kind of it. First, let's go to Flourish Studio, and now let's start for free. I'm going to write my email. I don't know. Okay. You need to log in here. Marcus Stone. Name Marcus. Sign up. Okay, your organization, none. Government analyst. Display. Submit. Welcome to Flourish. Okay, close there. And now what you want to do is create a new visualization. And you will have it here. When you create a new visualization, the bar chart race. What is really great about this program that most of the things here are for free. That's what's so damn good, that you have many graphs you can do. But so right now we are going to use the bar chart race. And now, when we are going to watch, data is beautiful. Look at that. What she makes, I think it's a woman who makes the video. What she makes is that right here you can see the image is here, the image is here, like always the image is after or before or in the middle, but mostly on the end or after it or on the end of the. So let's say that we are going to choose image with captions. When we open it, you can see exactly how it works. Yes, so this is the data. Okay, close door. If I can do it. This is the data that you need to get. But first we are going to preview, and this is how it's going to preview. Now what you can do, you can just change and play with everything you got here. So labels and images, fill, okay, colors, palette. It's always going to change whatever I want. As you can see, you got captions, controls, animations, animation duration, how fast it will go. Like, it's not that hard to understand because it's just playing with it. Always try to make the data look like you see here. So country name or whatever name will be on your left side here. Then the region, you can use it. You don't, it's up to you. Then image URL is that you need to upload it here, or just take it from somewhere, as you can see, and it will pass. So what she does, let's go here. She downloads or she linked the Superman here. She wrote here Superman 4, Supergirl, Superman, country name here, and then she went with the numbers. And now, how to get the numbers, the data? So the first thing is you can always see here, data source, official movie ticket sales reports. So what she does is like, okay, movie sales reports, DC Comics. Okay, she comes here and she's just trying to find everything she needs. And also you need to find those data. This is the most hardest thing about making videos like these. You need to find the data. And now when I go to how it's called, Steam charts. If you would like to make a video about the most popular games, and this is what she did here, or he, I don't know if it's he or she. So you click to videos and I go to most popular games on Steam, And you can see the Terra Garry's mode, left for dead. And it starts to count with the July 2009, July 2012. And now, as you can see it here, it's completely here. So what she's going to do is she's going to open, I don't know, Arc, Rocket League, Forum, Team Fortress, Destiny. Now she will go zoom all from May 2015 when it was, and you can see it here. And she just accepts these numbers. She just takes those numbers, pastes it to the, how it's called, graph, and that's how it does. And for example, also on Dota, you can see that March 2017, and let's find March 2017. And I don't know from where she got this number, but it's wrong. From where she got this number? I mean, it's not right. The number was much higher, so even she did, I think she had wrong. But based on what Steam data? I mean, but she got here Steam data and it's not right, but whatever. So also I want to show you Vavamu's stats. He makes also videos like these, but his numbers are not that crazy. 1.8 million. Yeah, he went a little bit down. And now he makes about, he doesn't make such a popular, you need to focus on a broader audience. If you're gonna make, like, what are the most NHL players who are earning most money, or NBA football players, that's also a good choice. Something which everyone is interested about. So, top 20 country by total urban population, it's not that good. But I think he doesn't make it in this program. But that's kind of it. But it's the same thing. And maybe he does it in the program, who knows. So this is how you can actually do it. And it's relatively easy. And also, whatever questions you have, write it in the comments and I will try to help you. And yeah, thank you very much everybody for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, you can support me and subscribe. I'll be really thankful for that. And also write me down below in the comments what else would you like to learn, and I will make a tutorial on it. Thank you everybody. Have a great day and see ya.